In this video, I want to show you how you can add product reviews to a Shopify store. Now this is really easy, guys. There are two different ways that you can do this. The one is you can manually, if you know how to code, you can manually add the product reviews. And if you don't know how to do that, then the easiest way is to simply install an app that can do this for you. So if you head over to a Shopify dashboard and you click on Add Apps, then what you can do is usually there will be either a product review one in here, or you can click on Shopify App Store. And once you're in here, what you can do is just search for review products or product review. And there should be a bunch of product review apps here. So as you can see, there's one right here, this one right here, one here, one here. And you can simply select the one that you think works the best for you. So some of these have a free plan available and some of these are completely free, but you can see this one has 5 stars and so many reviews, so probably this one is the best one. After you've downloaded it, what you want to do is just come back here and refresh your page, and you should now be able to see the app. Then you can simply click on it and you can customize whatever you want, and that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.